Former Seahawks and Ravens running back Alex Collins dies at 28 in tragic motorcycle accident. The football world is in mourning as beloved former NFL player Alex Collins, aged 28, tragically passed away due to a motorcycle accident. Collins, known for his infectious smile and joyful personality, had 2 stints with the Seattle Seahawks and also played for the Baltimore Ravens. A standout performer in college, Collins had 3 consecutive 1,000-yard seasons at Arkansas before entering the NFL. He endeared himself to fans with his signature Irish dance touchdown celebration and was celebrated for his contributions on and off the field. The Seahawks organization and the broader football community remember him fondly, emphasizing his impact both as a player and as a person.